Alright folks, how yous all doing? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, what I've got for you today is car culture set from Hot Wheels. It's a Japanese historics. 5 cars set, so first up here, I will open them but I'm just going to quickly show you them. And first up here is a 64 Prince Skyline GT. Can you see that? Now next is a 72 Toyota Corolla Leaving. It's a Fairlady next to a Nissan Fairlady Z, or Z as we say. Then we've got a nice little Honda. I'll try and get this one, guys. It's a 1973 Honda Civic Custom. And a little Mazda RX-3. The card work, it's hard to see. I'm actually complaining for once, guys. It's so bright today. But this is a lovely wee set. Like I was going to say, the card work on these is beautiful. But I'm an opener, so give it a wee second, we'll get the wee wheel out. If I can speak right, and we'll take a closer look. Alright, give it a wee second, folks. Okay folks, first up's the 64 Prince Skyline GT. Like I said, lovely artwork here on the card. Here's the wee card here. I don't know how this light is for you guys. I had to move it out, the sun was actually a wee bit too bright, but you can still see it okay, I think. So just give these a wee one spin round and we'll move on. Alright, and we'll move on to the next one. Okay, next up is the 72 Toyota Corolla Leaving. Have a look at this one, guys. That's better. It's lovely. Okay guys, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, next up's the Nissan Fairlady Z or Z, depending on how you say it. Okay, let's have a look at this guy. That's better, that's better. It's nice. I've got better examples of this casting, but it is nice for what it is. Okay folks, we'll move on to the next one. Next up is the 72 Honda Civic Custom. A nice detail on the grille. Okay, I'll let this come round and we'll move on to the last one, guys. And the last one in this set is the Mazda RX-3. This is probably my favourite one. If I can get it to focus, here we go. This is probably my favourite one in this set. There's just something kind of quirky about it. It's easy to get your head turned when you get Tarmac, Cado House, Mini GT. These are like the top tier of diecast. And old Hot Wheels gets a bit of a hard time, a bit of slagging sometimes, but sometimes they do it right, and I think this is one of these times. It's a great little set. Okay, we'll just take one last quick look at everything then, and I'll let you get away, guys. Here we go, folks. Japanese Historic Volume 4 wrapped up. Let us know what you think in the comments. Do you like it? Have you got it? It's nice, like I say, it is what it is. But it's really nice, it's really, really well done. Oh, got a bit of American steel showed up here. Look at that. You all know who does that, don't you? Mr. H. Alright, that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video, alright? Peace, take it easy.